Hi there, we're out in the African bush today to show you another one of our products. The product I'd like to show you today is the sword. Now the sword is a hard shell tent, but it's also more for the family orientation. So the tent is 1400 with a 700 piece that folds out. It opens up to 1300. It's 2.2 in length, which gives you ample room inside for mom and dad and 2 children. Okay, so what we do is you need to undo the latches. Okay, so then what you want to do is you just want to climb and just help it up. There we go. We undo the handle, just slide the handle out, push down on the handle, which deploys the tent. Just let it come over. Now should it be a high vehicle, or if you want a bit more angle, what you can do is you just pull on the string. We just pull the string together and slide the ladder out to the height required, and then just lock it back into place. I just put the hook part of the rod through the slider, and that just helps me slide it up. I then just feed the rod in. And there we go. Now bear in mind, you did the same on the front. You can also do these from the inside. It doesn't have to be done from the outside. We then just close the gauze, leaving the flaps open so the air can escape. It comes with 4 meters of cable that you can plug into your cigarette lighter, or that you can plug into the access point at the back of your vehicle if you do have one. In order to close the tent, what we would do is we remove the rod from the eyelet, and then do the same on this side. We would then do the same on the sides. Just place a little bit of tension to unhook the hook. Do the same on this side. And bring it down. We would then hook the hook in and bring the zips down on either side. What we do is we then take the handle, we bring it out of its securing place, tighten the button, and then what we want to do is we just want to push up. Just push up on the tent, and you'll see it will slowly start folding over. Put the handle back. Just create a small amount of pressure just to drop it back down. What we do is we take the handle and we pull on the handle and just help either side in, just by pulling it there. And the same on this side, and we basically close the tent. So the tent can actually accommodate 4 pillows. What we do is we put them on either sides of the mattress, and then the duvet you put at the end, you place that at the end. So when the small piece of mattress folds over, it doesn't interfere with your duvet at the end. And you can also put a fitted sheet over the mattress. Now in order to close the tent, what we would do is we place a small amount of pressure on the handle and latch the latch in place. And there we go, ready for your next adventure. We hope you've enjoyed this video on the new sword that we've introduced or going to introduce. Please keep sending us your amazing pictures from around the world. Happy camping from the Eezi-Awn team.